Here we are at Red River Off-Road Park, and look,
I'm trying to stay in the frame.
we've seen you a lot. It's our guy. We call you online. We just call you Josh, or are we calling you Musty?
I don't know. It changes all the time because of Kurt.
Josh from California. He just randomly tells me the other day, he goes, I got vacation, so I'm just gonna come out there. I'm like, you're gonna come from Minnesota out here. Yes. We better do something. Last time we had the CRF out here, we had the suspension done, and it actually was good. The whole bike was pretty fun, except for the fact that it just wanted to turn off every few minutes. Turned out that was the whole catch can system. If you lay your bike down just once or twice, it's gonna fill with fuel. Anyway, that's all deleted, and we've been off-roading out in the desert with it. Had it all jostling, is that a word? Today, Sunday, after Thanksgiving. Sunday. I still think there's gonna be a bunch of side-by-sides out here. Chris, don't you like riding with the side-by-sides out here, right?
Yeah, I got hit by one. And
I was about to say, I almost got hit by one like every weekend I ride.
And I was like, I got hit by a car, and everybody's like, it's a side-by-side. I'm like,
that's a car as far as it matters.
Yeah, when it hits you in the back of the head at 15 miles an hour, it's a car.
I'm all decked out here. Look at these these things are way too bright and shiny. Alpine Star, thank you. They hooked it up. I got helmet and some other stuff they sent me. These are some pants. Last time I wore some Tech 7s, I hit a dog, and they held up great. All right, this should be the fastest this thing's ever been because I've got all them power mods, which I didn't have last time I was here. It's got the 4-up sprocket right now. Feels rompy. It's also rained a bunch, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like out here. This mud. There it goes. Yeah, this mud sucks. Man, I can handle the super dry sand, but this is just not pleasant at all to ride in. I know I've been out here back in the day when it rained, but I guess it wasn't like this. Holy sh! This is terrible. I guess it's not bothering them. They took off. I don't know if it's just heavier bike or what. I get it, it's probably momentum's king, but Jesus Christ, it's not like the sand. The bike dances all around too, right? But it's not like this. This is terrible. I'm about to go home. I don't even know how y'all are moving at that speed. I'm just crab walking everywhere I'm going. I know I literally have been camping out here when it rained. But I guess it just wasn't this big downpours we've been having. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, you're supposed to look cool in these videos. This isn't it. Maybe one day I'll get to use third. This is what it was like. Tom and Nerb when y'all did that desert crossing and Tom blew up his 690. Cause I could see how he did it if it was like this. Holy sh! Yeah. Oh God, I wonder if I can even get back up that. Woo! All right, well let's go home. That was a good trip. How many miles have we gone? 2? I feel bad for Josh to come out here from Minnesota and he's like, I'm gonna bring my bike, and I'm like, oh yeah, we should probably try to go do something. And this was the thing we came up with. What is it, like 12-hour drive from here? Oh, great, my boots are probably wet now. Well, that's not as bad for that last little bit right there. Don't say no like it's suddenly amazing and you're like, we're good now. This is the thing when they would do the Red Bull thing and the guys would ride up this. Remember that guy who built the bear suit? He would be like, we're gonna test it. He would throw himself off this. Chris, have you seen the guy that built the bear suit? We actually reckon it might be better down by the creek. Woo! I went the wrong way. Well, time to die. My cage is gonna hit right there. I'm too wide. I stand right here. I should be able to make it work. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to grab it though. Okay, let's go. We're jumping fuel. I got it from here. Woo! I'm having fun. Whee! I was about to say, why'd you do that? You all right? Did you fall on them rocks? Are you good?
I'm good.
Are you sure?
I just can't get up exactly.
Well,
I almost made it to the river.
Chris, you're too old for this shit. I was like, oh, he's doing a cool turnaround.
You remember the
No,
thing
he's
I
not.
said about the front brake?
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't need it?
Yeah.
I needed it just then.
All right, everybody give him input. This is what people like when you're trying to start your bike and it won't go. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, if Chris is up. Oh yeah, I've been in this before. It's a thing. See, that's the thing. Some of these grooves start knocking your feet off the pegs. Just want to thank my cooling system for somehow still working. God, my brakes get hot up there. That's why I'm so slow. See, I put that big supermoto brake on the front. Bring you out a little more. It's a show. Ah! Oh, look at that. I pop them and the slide out of the popper. Oh, that costs more than anything I've ever known. Oh, yeah. Come on. Look how that big man picks that thing up though. He just goes. Oh, shit. Says the boys with actual dirt bikes. Get out here on a dual smart. Tell me what's up. Yeah, this whole idea of making this bike be 4 bikes in one, and you start thinking, are we asking too much of it? I mean, yes, of course you are. That's all right. That's the whole point, though. I think you should ask too much of your bikes. But yeah, makes you earn it a little more, that's for sure. There's third gear. Well, I can report when I can get on the throttle at a little speed. You know, it is a lot more peppy than last time I had. Jesus Christ, the wheelies right there. It's a little more peppy than it was last time I was out here. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gonna make me act a fool. That's deers. It's deers. Hi, deers. Go get him. Go get him. Them the moto deers. Justin Roy will be feeding them things. I remember being around here before when the bike was starting to do that stalling thing, and it's not stalling now, it's just putting up. Get it, I made a joke about Russian leaders. Okay, sometimes the trail decides you're going into the mud pit. Holy sh**, please don't be deep.
Well, it started out and it got a little better.
A little better.
And then we found out we were old, so we went home. He's gonna hate life tomorrow.
You need to go on that Patreon website, bro. You could hang out with all of us, man. Like, yeah, I talked to Jake, I talked to Chris. They both work on my bike, man. Good group of guys there. Good group of guys.
Oh no, yeah, he's in the Discord in our Patreon thing, and he's now come with us on 2 trips. He's from Minnesota. That's kind of the way to ride with us. You need to join the Patreon. Well, this battery's about to die. Okay, bye bye.